Hi whole class! Today we're going to be continuing with our whole as 6 and following on from the previous session. So we're just going to recap a couple of things that we looked at before moving on to today's challenge. So here we have our first, then and now. First we had 4 pencils in the pot, then we added 2, now that makes 6. So that means 4 add 2 equals 6. And this one, it was first we had 6 children reading a book, then 4 walked away. Now that left 2 children reading a book. So that means 6 take away 4 equals 2. So remember, we thought about if we knew one number sentence, we could work out another. So if our first number was 2, we added 4 to it, that would make 6. Then if we did 6 take away 4, it would equal 2. So we're using the same numbers but just switching them around to make different number sentences. So if we want to know one number sentence, we can work out the other. Bit of an extra challenge here. If I put 4 here and my whole was still 6, what would I add to it and take away from it if it was 4? Have a little think, maybe tell your grown-up, or if you continue to do the work and you write it down and send it to Mrs. Jackson and I, because we do look forward to seeing all your work. So today's challenge, we're going to follow on using our cherry diagrams. If you haven't got them from the last session, then draw some now. Pop your numbers in the parts. We've got 2 parts, whole of 6, because we need them today to help us with our first, then and now. Pause the video if you need to write a few, or pause the video if you need to go and find the work that you did from this session before this one. So I've chosen as my whole as 6, as it is, and my parts as 5 and 1. And then I've done another one where I've got my parts as 3 and 3. Remember, there's lots of different ways. You've probably got you could have the same as me, you could have different to me. It doesn't matter, as long as it matches your first, then and now. So here we have our first, then and now. And today we're going to be thinking about taking away. Okay, so we're going to do a first, then and now again, but taking away. So let's jump back to our cherry diagram. So I'm going to look at this one first. My whole has been 6 and parts as 5 and 1. Now, when we're doing take away, it's really important to put a certain number at the beginning. I'm not sure if you can remember which one it is. Maybe have a little think, have a chat with your grown-up. Okay, it is the biggest number. So the biggest number needs to go in the first section. So out of 6, 5 and 1, 6 is my biggest number. My whole is my biggest number. Okay, so if we're doing a first, then and now, I've already got my pictures. You can draw yours. All right, I'm going to put my numbers in the boxes. So here I have 6 children. 6 is my biggest number. It is my whole. Then 5 children walked away. So there were 6 children playing football, then 5 walked away, which left 1. So I put my numbers in the boxes. Then I'm going to put it into a number sentence. So I have 6, and then I took away 5, which equaled 1. Okay, so draw your pictures in the boxes to match your cherry diagram. If I go back to my cherry diagram, there it is. Okay, 6, 5 and 1. Does it match 6, 5 and 1? It does. My parts match and my whole matches, and I've drawn the pictures to go alongside that. Okay, so let's have a look at the other one that I did. So here I've got a basket, and first of all I've got 6 eggs in my basket, so I'm going to pop 6 there. Then 3 fell out and dropped on the floor, so I'm going to put 3 there because they fell out and dropped on the floor. Now that left 3. Okay, so let's put that into a number sentence. We've got 6 take away 3, which equals 3. Okay, and my cherry diagram to match was 6 as my whole, then my parts were 3 and 3. Extra challenge. Anybody able to draw a bar model to match it as well? Okay, right, so your challenge is, go back to my blank one. What I want you to do is I want you to do your first, then and now. So think about your whole has been 6, so that's going to be your first number. Use your cherry diagram like I did. First is 6. You can draw whatever you want to, okay? Think about it, okay, because you might need to then be able to remember take things away. So first is going to be your 6, your whole. Then you're going to take one part away. So either somebody walking away, somebody eating something. Okay, it's entirely up to you, getting off the bus. You have a think, all right? And then now is what you've got left. So it would be 6, take away how many have walked away, and then now what's left, and then pop it into a number sentence. So draw your pictures, put your numbers underneath, and then do your number sentence to match. Draw your cherry diagram. Have a go at doing a bar model, bit of an extra challenge. Okay, I haven't shown you that, but we have done it in school. If you don't want to, it doesn't matter, but have a go. All right, so that's what we need to do first, then now pictures, numbers underneath, and then your number sentence. I'll pop mine on back on just as a bit of an example. Remember, so I've done my pictures, got my first as 6, then got 5 walking away, now as 1. 6 take away 5 equals 1. All right, so remember, email Mrs. Jackson or Miss Creaser your lovely work, because we do look forward to seeing that and how you're getting on. Okay, stay safe, whole class.